there by the bank, the water black as snake, just as stealthy, the cloud cutting open its belly, rain shouting run. I pulled the tent tarp up, watched stars and water collide across the net of time. There is a wisdom in braving a wilderness I miss so dearly. When the Christ ran dry in the bottle, when the stars hid behind the haze, I became convinced there was something in the woods across the river, something watching me on that fire road deep in the dark. It took 2 nights of cold obsidian, kissing its cuts into my fear, alone miles from anyone, to finally realize we are the invention of our own threats. There's nothing out there but bullfrogs and bears, lightning bugs and crickets, just our own shadows telling all our secrets. We're just trying to keep all that pain quiet. Night in the forest has a way of baptizing you by dipping your torso in darkness, to come up realizing it's all been an embrace from the get-go. All that pine scratching inside, all that festering desire to commune with something primal that remembers your origin. The mountain cuts open its belly, says, crawl inside, child. Come into this cave that birthed you.